Hello again. Over the next few days, the weather is fairly settled for most of us. High pressure remains firmly in charge, although we'll start some mornings on a cloudy note, the cloud tending to burn back to parts of the east coast, but it could be thick enough for the odd spot of drizzle. Most of us staying dry, the warmest, sunniest conditions in the west, and at times there'll be a chilly breeze across the south. But the peak of the heat's likely to be today and tomorrow, somewhere in the west, more than likely around the Glasgow area, where we'll reach 25 or 26 degrees. Where we hang on to the cloud across the eastern areas, this is where the temperature will be that bit lower. So under the cloud, for example, on the east coast, we might not see a higher temperature than 13 degrees. Now, through the rest of this afternoon, what you'll find is the cloud will continue to push back towards the east coast. It will linger anywhere from Yorkshire down towards East Anglia, but a lot of dry weather elsewhere, a lot of sunshine, and you can see we hang on to the cloud across northern Scotland. Light breezes, but windy through the English Channel, and a cool breeze across the south. London seeing a high of 20 degrees today, as is Belfast, but 24 or 25 quite possible around the Glasgow area. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, this cloud will come in quite quickly from the North Sea and advance towards the west. We hang on to the cloud across northern Scotland. There will be some breaks in the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Here in rural areas, we could well see temperatures fall to 3 or 4, but most of us staying between about 7 and 11. So a cloudy start to the day tomorrow. Tomorrow, like today, some of this cloud will push back towards the east. We'll see more warm sunshine, still the cloud lingering across the far north of Scotland, and still this keen breeze across southern areas. So tomorrow we could reach 25 or 26 around the Glasgow area, but again, under any lingering cloud. Even into Thursday, we still hang on to all this cloud across eastern areas, but a bit more cloud across Scotland than we're going to see in the next few days. Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest of England favoured for the lion's share of the sunshine, and highs up to 22 or 23 degrees, but again cooler under the cloud. High pressure remains with us into the weekend. For some, we'll start off on a cloudy note, that pushing back towards the east coast, but a lot of dry weather and a fair bit of sunshine.